Hello, hello, good afternoon, good evening, and good morning, and welcome to Best Blessed Kitchen Health and Beauty blog. And I thank you for watching, and I appreciate you subscribe below, and I will also leave a description button below where you can be able to find my health products, and you can order. You can also participate in the business. You can also be a partner, or you can also be a customer. Thank you. Today I am hello guys. I'm preparing bitter leaf soup, onugbo soup in our traditional language, and I feel it's comfortable to film it now. This is my stock meat. Nothing is inside yet. Only the meat, the water from the meat, which I put only salt and pepper. I don't normally use too much spice for the onugbo soup. Here I have my stock meat, stock fish, and here I have already goat's meat. I have already cooked on the. I fried this one. I normally roast it. I don't have patience to do that. This is my onugbo. This is my fish. This is another fish. This is my pepper, and that's my cocoyam. Okay, guys. So I mixed my cocoyam with water, and here is my dry fish. And join me to arrange them inside my pot. I'm also going to use this Ghana fresh. I'm going to use all of it. Okay, guys. Here is my crayfish and my stock, big stock cube. This is my ogiri that my mommy bring for me since how many? I think 2 years now. I stored it in the freezer, so I bring it to defrost. So I'm going to add all this in my onugbo soup. For those my friend that want me to do some videos, here you go. How I prepare my onugbo soup. Okay, guys. Okay, now this is boiling. My salt is 1 teaspoon. No, 1 full spoon. So guys, I would like it to boil, so I will cut it like this, and display all of them around the pot. Okay, guys.
You won't be removed. That sickness cannot remove.
And I will put a little bit of ozuza powder. It's not gonna be too much, just a teaspoon. So guys, my soup is boiling, heating up now. I have put the stock fish, the dry fish, and the cocoyam flour. So I will put other ingredients now. I think the first ingredient I will put is the ogiri. I don't know how it's called in English, sorry. So I have added the ogiri and the salt. Okay, so I'm going to add the crayfish and the Maggi cubes. Okay.
You have a new trust. Your trust is
so guys, I'm going to add my pepper. This soup is a little bit nice, but it's coming up like how I want it. Then after I will add the meat. I will add the vegetables before the meat, so that the onugbo soup will be more softer inside the soup. Okay, guys. So guys, I will add my meat, fish, and meat and fish right now here, and that's the last thing I normally put. Okay, guys. So if I put it, my soup is ready. Okay, guys. Hello, girls and boys in the house. The soup is finally ready. And this is how I like my onugbu soup. Okay guys, this is African original onugbu soup. So go to my website as always, and in this video please subscribe, comment, and thumbs up. Okay guys, you can leave your comment below if you want anything like this. If you want to have a party, if you want to have a birthday, if you want to have a wedding, okay, you can inbox me guys. Thank you, love you much.